squeeze out here. So I make sure it doesn't end up on the floor.
Why don't you just lay out a paper towel and put it on the floor?
Yeah.
Or double one over or something. Right there in the corner, yeah. There you go.
Okay, now I can go right there.
Right there.
Push it up against it.
I got it. Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to change the whole water. Now this one's loose, yeah. Here. I thought I had a couple of them.
No.
There?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. That should be good for now.
Okay.